Good day and welcome back once again. Today we'll be looking at on how to continuously power your GoPro on your helmet. Firstly, let's take a look at the open face mountain bike helmet. For this helmet, I've decided to mount my GoPro at the front of the helmet under the peak. You will also need to install another mount in the rear of the helmet to hook up the power bank. This is how it looked like after you install the GoPro on the front of the helmet. This is an enduro or a downhill full face mountain bike helmet. Depending on where you want to mount your GoPro, you can put it at the front of the helmet, the top of the helmet, and also not forgetting to stick another mount at the rear of the helmet for the power bank. This is how it looks like after installing the GoPro at the front of the helmet. This is a motocross helmet, the helmets for the loncat-loncat on the off-road on the motorbike. This helmet is very handsome like the owner, I think. And anyway, I've mounted the GoPro mount under the peak of the helmet. And another mount at the rear of the helmet for the power bank. This is how it looks like after installing the GoPro under the peak of the motocross helmet. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank that we will be using to power up the GoPro, and it has two USB ports. The size agak-agak is similar to the GoPro 8 media mod. Next, we need to build a mount for the power bank. Firstly, get yourself a GoPro J-hook just like this. Use a mini saw and saw the J-hook, leaving a flat surface. This is how it looks like after you saw the J-hook away. Use a metal file to file away the surface to make it more flat. This is how we are going to position the mount to the power bank. To stick the bracket to the power bank, we are going to use a plastic weld. You can use epoxy, but I prefer to use this product because it is more stronger. After cutting a piece of the plastic weld, mix it thoroughly using your fingers. Tinggi kau. Ambil kau. Ambil kau. Tinggi lagi. Sakit tangan. Tak boleh angkat. Tinggi, aduh. Aku tinggi 2 minit so ni benda. Make sure you tinge properly until the mixture is mixed properly, and make sure you use your thumb. You knead it and you knead again and again, and make sure it's very nice. After tinge, apply some of the product to the mount, and after that stick it to the power bank. Apply more products to the mount. Ensure it is evenly spread out, and ensure that it sticks to the power bank adequately. Use a screwdriver to tenye the product and press it so that it makes more stronger and stick it more better. This is how it looks like after you apply the product. Very ugly. Not to worry, to make it more nicer, you can use a permanent black ink and paint the product and make it more cantik, you know. Yes, now it looks like more cantik and more nicer and more presentable. Now you can mount the power bank at the rear of the helmet like this. It's very nice. This is how it looks like with the GoPro mounted at the front and the power bank mounted at the back. It's quite balanced, not that heavy, and very nice. And this one is more nice because the owner is wearing it, the helmet, and it's very nice. Your hand can still reach the adjuster at the back. The power bank is not causing any hindrance. Very nice. This is how the open face looks like with the GoPro camera at the front and the power bank mounted at the back. It is quite balanced as the weight of the GoPro and the power bank is quite the same. Similarly, the motocross helmet is also quite balanced, and the owner wearing singlet not nice. This is how you run the wire from the GoPro to the back of the power bank. It's very easy. You can use a scotch tape to tape up the wire from the outside. For the full face mountain bike helmet, you can run the wire internally and run it to the front of the helmet and connect it to your GoPro. It's very neat. Very nice. For the open face mountain bike helmet, you can run the wire internally to the front of the helmet. Anyway, all of these are samples lah. You want to follow, you follow, you see. Up to you. This one I only show lah. I will normally use the power bank on my motorcycle helmet, but for bicycle, no need lah. You can stop and change the battery. Anyway, the power bank can last you up about 6 to 7 hours of continuous recording with a 256GB micro SD card. And also make sure your power bank has a continuous power on function.
Thank you. Very nice.